So this is my DJI Mic Mini. The receiver is working. So when I turned it on, it works. But the transmitter or the microphone itself is not turning on. Even I pressed it already, it doesn't turn on. And I already did the 20 seconds press and hold to troubleshoot if it's not working, but it's still not working. So now we will charge it using our DJI original charging cable. And then, okay, this is from DJI itself. Okay, this is from DJI itself. And we will charge this microphone. And as you can see, it's not charging. It's not charging. Even when I put it again, there's no blinking green. There's no signs of life in this microphone. I need help and assistance on this one. So this is my microphone.